Ciao world. This time I'll show you this software license manager I have released a few weeks ago. You can find on GitHub and the full source code, and on NuGet the three main packages. That is, this one is for the main functions of the software. This one is an helper that gives you the unique device of your client software, and this one is an helper for user controls. Then on GitHub you can also find releases that are in binary format. On the release, as example, you can find this manager application here. Let's see how does it work. It is based on asymmetric cryptography, and the algorithm uses is the elliptic curve digital signature. So the manager keeps private key pair, and whenever you want to release let's suppose a sample software, it generate a new key pair just like this, new software. Let's generate a new key pair. This is the key pair. On the client side, let's suppose we are going to license this simple client software. We just have to add the public key of the license, then build a new device ID for the machine we are running on. By the way, this device ID is based on the motherboard serial number and the CPU identifier, and select which is the license file name you're going to use. Then you can attach and use helper to any part of your software. I've done this when the main form is shown, and just using this single line of code will check for your license file and eventually open the licensing windows if the license is not valid. So let's see as example. Let's take this new software key we have generated. Let's put the public key here and run this client sample. On the first run, the client will see this form here that is shown by this helper here, and your customer has to copy this license request. You in your manager can pass this license request in the request and can sign the license for your customer. If you delete the device ID and leave this field empty, the license will be valid for all the customer that has the license key. So I suggest you not to do this. And also you can set an expire date and some additional data. When you sign the license, you have to give the customer this code that is a signed license. The customer pass this code here and click to save, then the license will successfully written to license.leak file. Software is licensed. If we open this client software again, like so, let's find out the sample software. Yes, this is the license file. The software is licensed, so the customer will not see the license again. And of course, if you change something here in the license, or you can change also just one letter, the software will not work and ask you for a new license. One last word about this. This will not give you a false sense of security because an expert cracker can crack your software, and this is just to help you manage your license so that you can do this with just a few lines of code. I hope you find this useful, and bye.